Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Well, on today's video we're learning isometric projection. Okay, yes, if you're new to my channel, endeavor to subscribe to this video or to this channel, I meant to say, and give this video a thumbs up. Let's get straight to work. So we're drawing this isometric block. Okay, first of all, I'll start by getting this my v at is 30 degrees. Take note, isometric projection are projection inclined at an angle of 30 degrees to the horizontal. Okay, so I drew a straight line and placed my ruler on top of my t-square and then drew this with my 30 degrees set square, not 45 degrees set square. Please take note. I turned it the other way around and also did the other parts of it. Alright, so my phone actually switched off. Went off. Alright, so I've actually gotten this v. Now what do I do next? Now look at this part here. We're given the length of here to be 30, 40 and here to be 30. Okay, see it 30, 40. So on this part I'll mark 30. I can actually tick in that line for the 30 point. Me I'll go 30, 30, and this part I'll go 40 as given in the question. Okay, 40. Alright. Having done that, I'll bring back my t-square, okay, and ticking. Okay, so I forgot to draw a straight line now. Sorry about that. Alright, so from this part here, I've done at 40, so I'll go up. That total length here is actually 50, okay? That up there, I'm still going 50 as given in the question. So I'll go 50 up. Now measure the 50. I just go straight line, place the comma, measure 50 and tick in it. This is 50. Alright, so I place my set square this way and bring this side down. Now that up part now I'm going to measure 20 because that height, that's the measurement I was given in the question, 20. Okay, that side 20. So I'll come down there also 22. That's 50 minus 30 will give you this 20 here. Alright, 20 there. Alright, I'll place it this way and bring it down first. Measure my 20. Okay, that's already 27. Alright, so bring it this way and then join it to the center. Yes, so even if I measure myself, I know that they will just have to correspond. Now I'm taking it. Alright, so we're done with this part. Let's proceed. To move further, I'm going to get to this part. Okay, the height here is 30, so I'll go here 30 millimeter, I mean to say 30, and then I'll complete it. Now for this up part of it, this up part here, there's actually 20, but I don't need to actually measure that 20. I'll just have to place it this way, go and intersect it from this center here, and push my t-square up a little. Okay, so let's start in and intersect it automatically to give me my 20. Alright, I'll have to take this part back. Now let's move on. Fall back to that my up part. Okay, this is actually 35 of the first part. 35, this part here 35. So I'll measure straight line first. It's not long enough. Let me adjust my set screw. Okay, elongate first. So I'm measuring my 35 here. Taking it. Measure 35 this way too. Taking it. And then I will join those 2 points together. Okay. Further, I'm moving on. This is that part here. Here is 15. Come down 15. 15. Then enter here 10. Okay, 10. Then 15. So I'll come down with 15. Okay. Come down 15. Alright, please just draw and then measure. I'm used to drawing like this, that's why I'm actually too fast. Then go up 15. That's 1.5 cm. So having done that, I'll continue my elongation. Okay, this way, following this line here. Elongate it first. Same thing for the other side. My set square naturally we should have to use it this way. It's correct and accurate. Now the total length here is actually 20 as given the question. So I'll go 20. So I mean to say 15, actually 20, sorry, I'm say 15. So at that 15 points, I'll come down. That's here 50, okay? Same length. This point 15. Measure my 50, I'm taking it. Okay. Then I'll finish it up. I bring it into the down parts here. Alright. So this is it, guys. So let's move back to the top part. Now we're giving actually join this part here, this up part. Yes, let's join it. Now one, two. Okay. Now here is 5, 0.5 and 0, that's 5, 5. Okay. So measure 0.5 or 5 millimeter, 5 from this part, sticking it, and 5 from this part, sticking it. Okay. Okay. So I'll take in this part here too. Okay. Alright. Then I'll bring it down. This part down. This part here, this one down here is actually 0.5. That's 5 millimeter. I go 5. This is for the other part, so 5. And join. Okay. Alright, so for this part, so I'll do the same thing too. Here. Bring it down. 5. And then join it. So now just join these two edges together. Then taking this other part. So guys, we're almost done. Let's get back to this down part of this drawing. Okay, I'll draw this too. That's there. Now let's come down. Let's get this square in the center. So given that here is 0.5, okay, given here is 0.5, and then to listen to from down 0.5, then go the horizontal to 0.5 from two edges too. Oh shit, this video actually go that down. So sorry about that. So on those points I actually measure, marked, I actually draw a vertical line, and then with this point to go tick and bring it tick as a 5 marked. Actually ticking all the points, and that is it, guys. Look how beautiful our isometric block actually turned out. Thank you guys for watching today's video, and I'll see you guys in our next episode.